Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to talk about the 7th and 8th phrase structure rule, or the 7th and 8th rule in phrase structure trees, and how they are diagrammed and how they are represented in a sentence. Okay, so let's look at the sentence here. So first, we assign each word into their labels or in their categories, their syntactical categories. So we have the, which is a determiner, man, which is a noun, asked, which is a verb, if is a complement or a complementizer, sorry. The is a determiner, dog is a noun, and escaped is a verb. Now let's diagram. Let's divide first the sentence according to where is the subject and where is the predicate. So in the sentence, the man asked if the dog escaped. So here is your subject. Okay, where the verb starts is your predicate. Okay, so here's your predicate part. Most probably this is your verb phrase because the head will be a verb, right? So now let us combine or deal with the sentence in the phrase level. So a determiner plus a noun. Let's start from the leftmost part. A determiner and a noun creates a noun phrase, right? Okay, now let's move to the rightmost side. So this is following rule number 4, which says that a verb can be, number 4, a verb phrase can only have a verb. Okay, that's a verb phrase. That's or one verb can suffice as a verb phrase. Okay, that's rule number 4. Let's categorize which part here is the subject and which is the predicate. So here is the predicate. No? This is a predicate, and this will suffice as the verb phrase. Because of rule number 4, which says that a verb can only have another verb. A verb phrase can have another verb only in a sentence. Okay, next. This one here. A determiner and a noun creates a noun phrase. Right? Then we have a complement and a verb. Okay, these will not pass in the constituency tests. If they will be combined as a unit, they will not be a constituent. So we don't combine them. Okay. Next, we move to whether there are phrases that can be combined and can create another phrase. So in here, if we combine an NP and a VP, we create or we suffice rule number 1, which says that an NP plus a VP could create an S or a sentence. Now let's proceed to the next element, which is a C. So if a C is combined with an S, then you can create a CP or a complementizer phrase, right? So now we have, or we sufficed number 8, that a complementizer phrase has a complement and a sentence. So number 8 is possible. Number 8 is diagrammable, or it can be a sentence, or it can happen in a sentence. Next element, we have a verb. So if a verb is combined with a CP or a complementizer phrase, that creates our verb phrase. Now we have two more phrases to combine. So from the subject to the predicate, we now create one sentence. So that's how the number 8th rule is possible, and also number 7. Okay, number 7 says that a VP has a V and a CP. Number 8 says a CP has a C and an S. Okay, so that's rules number 7 and 8.